Military pilots play a crucial role in defending nations and maintaining security. The training and development of these skilled aviators are of paramount importance. Among the various aircraft used for pilot training, the T-38 Talon stands out as a renowned supersonic jet trainer. Military pilot training is a rigorous process that equips aspiring aviators with the necessary skills, knowledge, and experience to operate and excel in combat aircraft. It is a vital component of maintaining air superiority and ensuring the readiness of air forces. The T-38 Talon holds a prominent position in military pilot training programs. As a supersonic jet trainer, it offers a unique combination of speed, agility, and advanced avionics systems that simulate real-world combat scenarios. The T-38 Talon serves as a bridge between basic flight training and transitioning to operational fighter aircraft. The T-38 Talon provides several advantages that make it ideal for training military pilots. Its supersonic capabilities allow trainees to experience high-speed flight and develop the necessary skills to handle the demands of modern combat aircraft. The T-38 Talon has trained a significant number of military pilots across the globe. Numerous training programs and institutions, both within the United States and internationally, incorporate the T-38 Talon into their curriculum. Its reputation as a reliable and effective training platform has contributed to its widespread use and influence. Various air forces, such as the United States Air Force, United States Navy, and international military organizations have employed the T-38 Talon for pilot training. Well-known institutions like the United States Air Force's Euro-NATO Joint Jet Pilot Training Program, ENJJPT, and the United States Navy's Strike Fighter Tactics Instructor Program, Top Gun, have utilized the T-38 Talon to shape the careers of countless aviators.